Hi, I am Sarthak Sidhant and today we do some experiments.
Experiments.
Last time I classified myself as smart expert, but the thing is that I knocked over my ethanol. Problem originated. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to part 2 of Chemistry Simplified with Sarthak Sidhant. Things we need: beaker, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, plastic gloves, spatula, and a brain, which I don't have. Starting off by taking citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, we take 25 milliliter water and a spatula, and we wear gloves just for safety. I'm ready. Are you? I think yes. Take 0.5 gram of citric acid. I'm taking powder form. You can take acid also if you want. Mix it well in water with a spatula. Now it turns to citric acid. Take 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate. The bubbles start to form. The bubbles form because it's a neutralization reaction. Wait for some time, 25 minutes in my case. You can neutralize the solution by adding various types of acids and bases. In my case, I use the same citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Observe. After 30 minutes, you see pretty big bubbles as appearing in a cold drink, and the beaker, if you feel the beaker, it is cold. What we made today? We made a drink which is cold and it boils. It shows bubbles, i.e., we made a boiling cold drink. Chemical reactions undergone: citric acid plus sodium bicarbonate plus H2O equals trisodium citrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Bye. I love Minecraft.